What's the meaning of botanist? Botanist. Botanist.
Botanist. Botanist. A botanist is a scientist who studies plants, their structure, growth, and development, as well as their interactions with the environment. Botanists may also specialize in specific areas such as plant taxonomy, ecology, or molecular biology. They use a variety of techniques to study plants, including microscopy, DNA analysis, and fieldwork. The work of botanists is crucial for understanding and conserving the natural world, as well as for developing new medicines, crops, and other products derived from plants. Botanists may work in research, academia, or industry, and often collaborate with other scientists, conservationists, and policymakers.